Once upon a time, in a faraway land filled with lush green meadows and towering mountains, there lived a kind-hearted little girl named Lily. Lily had sparkling blue eyes and a smile that could brighten even the darkest of days. She lived in a cozy cottage nestled among the rolling hills with her loving parents and their loyal dog, Max. Lily's days were filled with laughter and play, but what she loved most were the bedtime stories her parents would tell her every night before she went to sleep. These stories were filled with magical creatures and far-off lands, and they filled Lily's dreams with wonder and excitement. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Lily's parents told her a special bedtime story about a friendly dragon who lived in the mountains beyond their village. The dragon was said to be kind and gentle, and he spent his days exploring the forests and meadows, spreading joy wherever he went. Lily was captivated by the story and couldn't wait to meet the friendly dragon herself. That night, as she drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of flying through the sky on the dragon's back, exploring the magical lands beyond the mountains. The next morning, Lily woke up with a sense of excitement bubbling inside her. She knew that today was the day she would meet the friendly dragon. After breakfast, she grabbed her backpack and set off on an adventure into the mountains. The journey was long and challenging, but Lily was determined to find the dragon. She climbed steep cliffs, crossed rushing rivers, and ventured through dense forests until finally she reached the top of the tallest mountain. There, standing before her, was the friendly dragon. He was even more magnificent than Lily had imagined, with shimmering scales that sparkled in the sunlight and wings that stretched out wide. "Hello, little one," the dragon said, his voice as gentle as a summer breeze. "What brings you to my mountain?" Lily smiled up at the dragon and told him about the bedtime story her parents had told her and how she had dreamed of meeting him. The dragon listened intently, his eyes filled with warmth and kindness. "I am honored to meet you, Lily," the dragon said. "Would you like to join me on a magical adventure through the lands beyond the mountains?" Lily's heart soared with excitement, and she eagerly nodded her head. Together, she and the friendly dragon set off on an adventure that would take them to far-off lands filled with enchanted forests, sparkling rivers, and majestic castles. They flew through the sky, the wind rushing through Lily's hair as they soared over mountains and valleys. They explored hidden caves and discovered secret waterfalls, laughing and playing together like old friends. As the day turned to night and the stars began to twinkle in the sky, Lily knew that it was time to return home. With a heavy heart, she said goodbye to the friendly dragon, knowing that she would never forget the magical adventure they had shared. Back in her cozy cottage, Lily climbed into bed with a smile on her face. As she drifted off to sleep, she knew that she would always treasure the memories of her adventure with the friendly dragon, and she couldn't wait to see what other magical adventures awaited her in the future. And so, dear children, as you drift off to sleep, may you dream of magical adventures and friendly dragons, knowing that the world is filled with wonder and excitement, just waiting to be discovered. Good night, and sweet dreams to you all.